I'm going to start with some very traditional old folk songs on guitar, and then I'm going to switch to the ukulele and play some not so old, not so traditional songs. First song is called, very old song called Cuckoo. Gonna build me a log cabin on a mountain so high, so that I can see Willie when he goes on by. Jack of diamonds, I know. You have robbed my poor pockets of silver and gold.